This is our live chakra attunement. It is the 19th of August and it's 2024, and we're starting off by breathing in and out. We are under the influence of a full moon in Aquarius right now with a lot of energy going on. This Aquarius full moon has a lot of relationships to it astrologically, so a lot of the big planets are interacting with this moon, and we can really feel it. So as you're breathing in and out today and relaxing into your breath, being aware of outside influences that can pull you in your emotions or your thoughts, you can just be aware of them, notice what you notice, and continue breathing in and breathing out. So continuing your rhythm of breath, pulling yourself fully into the moment, fully present in each moment. We'll go ahead and say our invocation for 2024 mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. I release worrying about the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I am aware. I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. And focusing on your breath, letting those words sink in. We'll say it a second round. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I am aware. I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I am aware. I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. And continuing to breathe, focusing on the breath, noticing what you notice. As I started out with earlier, we have a big full moon energy going on. It's a super moon. I was looking at it last night at about, 10 o'clock outside, standing outside, and it was just huge and shining. The channeling last night spoke to a lot of things kind of coming up, and mentioned that we're in a gateway, kind of in a gateway time. So this period from now, from about this full moon, going into the end of the year, so going into the autumnal equinox, they mentioned that, it's also like the gate is getting wider and a greater flow of this new frequency energy is coming in, so a little bit more of a challenge to stay centered with energy sort of stirring up all around, stirring up things, And so it was a very positive, I felt, supportive, channeling full moon about just the fact that, hey, yeah, you are in the transition period. You all came to be here at this time, so kind of recognizing that, and that we are part of the transition, and that, well, it's a collective transformation of humanity, and individually it's the same, so that each one of us will be going through things in our lives that help us with growth, and that some of the things right now we may not like that are coming up around us, but they are ultimately gifts, great gifts that are bringing us into the growth and the expansion and the transformation that we need. So it was kind of lovely to hear that and remember that and remind ourselves that it is the practice. So you may have noticed when I did the second round of the invocation just a few moments ago that I chuckled when I said, I am breathing out, I am present, breathing in, I am present, breathing out, I release worrying about the future, because this morning I have just been barraged with emails and texts that have to do with decision making, and I realized with some of the decisions that I have to make in the next moment, moments after this or between the sessions that start a little bit after this morning, busy morning, that I was worrying about them. So it made me chuckle, yeah. And Sissy, this is how it works. You start to watch your breath and you realize that it helps you begin to watch your thoughts and really be mindful. You realize that it helps you get to know how your mind works, and you notice something that you might have overrun in your, buzzing around, getting this done and that done and the other thing. And what I noticed is that I was a little bit nervous about making the decisions, and I could notice why and stay with that, notice that part in myself. Stay with that, follow it to its source. So all that can happen in a mindful moment. And that is why mindfulness is such a great practice. And that is why breath is, the beginning of mindfulness, of meditation, the conscious breathing. It's the beginning of you really entering into your own knowing, and then being able to balance yourself, to be able to shift things. And in this moment, I don't remember the exact words in the channeling, but there was, I just realized that there was a lot about breath and the power of the breath, and how the breath really kind of helps us open doorways into ourself, the expansion and the contraction of it, and how it ultimately, the more time we spend in it, the more we can understand, what we are going through in rebirthing and resetting and coming into new realities with ourselves. Breathing in, breathing out. Expansion and contraction, relaxing into wholeness. Surround the body in the container of light, below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. And keeping the spine straight in the physical, and keeping your awareness on your breath, and opening your awareness at the same time to your chakras that distribute the breath, and the chi force and the prana and the life force into the body. Drop your attention to the root chakra, breathing in and out with that root chakra, the color red, the mantra of Lam, and the exercise of Om. Breathing in, breathing out. I'm going to do it 3 times. And feel that mantra and that sound just resonating through your bones and all of your chakras straight up and down the spine. And breathing in and breathing out. Start to visualize the second chakra, the navel area. This one is the orange chakra, color, the orange in color, and the sound exercise is a medium toned Om, and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra for the second chakra is Vam. And we breathe in, we move up to that yellow chakra. This is the solar plexus, the personal power, the sense of deserving. And we're going to use the Sanskrit mantra of Ram. And it's a higher tone Om that we use to spin it. And I like to sometimes imagine the sun just filling my solar plexus, warming and supportive. And as I do that and do the tone, I mentally repeat, I am worthy, I am powerful, I am confident. Ram, 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 and breathing in and feeling the alignment from your tailbone and the red chakra there to your navel area, your sacral chakra, and to your solar plexus chakra, all lined up in a row, strong and vibrant and spinning at the right frequency for you to be grounded, to be balanced. These three early chakras are the ones that are involved in your everyday life on the planet, your body, your interaction with your family and friends, and and your sense of how you're going to move out into the world, your energy. That's the solar plexus area, the yellow. So breathing in and out, sense of self-worth, feeling the strength in those as you move up to the bridge chakra, the green chakra, the heart chakra. That's our exercise sound, and it just continues. With this exercise, you could rub the chest or bring your hands together in Anjali Mudra, prayer pose. Visualizing green and letting it spread out in your chest. Here lies the divine feminine energy, the Empress on the throne. Yum. Opening my heart. I love and accept you exactly as you are. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Yum. 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 The heart chakra. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. And yum is that one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yum, yum, yum. Feel your heart opening as you breathe in. The bridge chakra is going to bring us up to this next set of three. The blue at the throat, our communication center. That's our exercise, H-U-M. And we're doing the lion breath with it, the paws flaring up, the tongue coming out to the chin. And H-U-M is also the mantra that goes with this, the one syllable Sanskrit mantra with this chakra. So opening our communication, communicating from our heart. Hum, 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 hum. Breathing in and breathing out. From the heart chakra, we go to the throat chakra. This is from the throat chakra, we go into the third eye chakra. Our throat chakra is the blue of the sky, and our third eye chakra above at the brow is like the twilight sky, an indigo color, like deep sapphire or sodalite or iolite, those very deep, deep blues, with indigo blues with that stripe of purple in them. So breathing in and out, feeling what that energy feels like in your body, coming up to the third eye, giving your brain a bath with this indigo energy and drawing it into the body. It's a high-pitched ee for the exercise, and sham is the one-syllable mantra. Sham, 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 sham. Sham, sham, sham. And we'll come up to the crown chakra. This is the amethyst purple violet all the way up to white light. When I'm doing the crown and the third eye, actually, I like to turn my palms up in an open manner, especially with the crown chakra, and just visualizing your guides, your guardians with gratitude and love and the angelic force and the connection to all things. So we really connect to all life force here with the crown chakra. We connect to all life on the planet Earth. And at the same time, this chakra allows you to connect to the higher frequencies and bring them in through your connection. So in a sense, you're really bringing healing to yourself and the earth when you do these chakra attunements and you tune into balancing them. So breathing in and out. Wah, 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 going from a low to high. That is the exercise we use for the crown chakra. When you get to the last high-pitched wah dying out, just allow yourself with the palms open to receive the shower of light that comes back from our loving spirit. Breathing in, breathing out. Ready? And we'll go in again. Ready? One syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra is Om. So just like we started out with Om for our exercises, we end with it for we end our chakra attunement with that for the crown. Just go ahead and get out your malas if you have them right now. So it's Mantra Monday. I'm unzipping my mala case. Here they are. I have beautiful sodalite malas. I love that indigo color. Breathing in and out. I will now begin the chant, begin the Mantra Monday with the chant, one syllable Sanskrit mantra chant for the crown chakra. So we'll Om together 108 times. Ready? Om.